You might be wondering, why should someone consider selling on Walmart? Well, Walmart is the largest retailer in the world if you consider all the brick and mortar stores, and they are the second largest marketplace for e-commerce sellers. Walmart actually comes in at about 120 million unique monthly visitors compared to Amazon that has 200 million unique monthly visitors. Think about that. That is a lot of potential for you to reach a new consumer base.
Yes, going along with that, it is important to diversify your business because you can expand and reach more customers that aren't necessarily shopping on Amazon.com. In addition to that, it's also really helpful if something happens to your Amazon account, maybe gets shut down or some listings get shut down that are really important for your business, you'll still have sales coming in from other platforms like Walmart.com. So it's really important to make sure that for the longevity of your business and just sustainability over time, to make sure that you diversify to other platforms.
So having done this application process myself recently, it is fairly easy. Make sure that you take action. You don't just follow along. We're excited for you to be along with us on this journey.